Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Hope you all are doing great. And in today's video vlog, we're going to talk about DJI Mac Mini. So I've got this one for motor vlogging. Actually, none of the mics were working for me. I will drop down which all mics I was using when I'm doing the helmet setup for my motor vlogging. So I have got this DJI Mic Mini. So today it's going to be the unboxing of DJI Mic Mini. So let's get right into the video. Yeah. So yes people, so this is DJI Mic Mini. I got it from Amazon. I'll drop down the links below if you all need. So let's open the box and see what's there in it. Even I have not opened the box and even I'm curious to know what's there in the box. So let's open the box and see what they have given us. Yeah, let's get it. Open it from here. So I tried opening this, but it didn't happen. So I tried the other way around. So I opened here. I like to open it in a clean way. I like to keep the cover, not mess it around. Yes. So we open the box. And then we get this one, a pouch. So as usual, you get manual stickers of DJI, and there is nothing inside, as you can all see. And here they have given us what all would be here. So let's open this. Let's keep this aside. Yeah, so there's a nice packing what they have done. I always like DJI's quality. They don't compromise in their quality. Yeah, nice it is. So nice pouch you can carry anywhere you like. Oh, this is it. You get dead cat, and then I think this is the charger and jack. This is, and that's it. And there is a internal zip as well where you can keep your dead cats and other things. Nice storage. And here also there is a storage. Here also there is a storage. So that's it. You all could see. This goes aside. So let's try this. Yes. You get a C-type charger. You get a C-type cable, sorry. And then you get 3.5 mm jack for the mic, for noise reduce, for noise cancellation or whatever that is. They have given dead cats. One is in white. Okay, two is in white and two is in black. So you get two of these. I prefer the white because it reduces more noise compared to the black. It does its job. Finally the mic. So I have given a cover here. Press to unlock, and then a charging dock. You can charge this as well. Nice. It's nice quality. It's a nice quality one. I think you can see how much charge is there. It shows. So okay, you press it and then you open it. A good space of compartment. You get one mic, you get two mics. That is one. This is two. You get a receiver. This is quite difficult to remove it. Yeah. and then you get a C-type connector for your phone, and then it is minimal. They have kept it minimal and spacious as well. You can carry it anywhere you go, so there is no much a charge here. So this is it, folks. This is what you get. You get two windscreens, that is noise cancellation, white and black, and you get a audio jack 3.5 mm, and you get a cable, and you get two transmitter mics. You get a two mics, transmitter, yes, two transmitter mics, and then you get a receiver, and then a C pin to connect for your phone. Actually, this works. I'll show you all how it works. Yeah, can you see this one? I like the click. You just need to connect this. Yeah, can you see this? Can you see this arrow, gray arrow? And then I think you can see this orange arrow as well. So this goes like this, and then you connect this one to your phone, and then you can increase the number for the audio quality, and for noise cancellation you can decrease the number. This is manual. You can manually control this, and this is, as usual, you can connect this one if you need, and this is pairing button, and this is for charging, and then power on, and this one and two, this 1 and 2 is for mic 1 and mic 2. So this blue color which is, it's pairing. Actually it's not pairing, it is ready for pairing. So when you on your Bluetooth in any one of your camera, it will get connected. So that is how it works. The thing what I liked in this was you can even clip it like this. If not, they have given a magnet. This magnet is really quite strong. Oh my god, it's really quite strong. You can't shake it off so easily. You can't shake this off so easily, so it gets connected anywhere. That's what I liked, and it is minimal as well, and reduces the wind noise. The main motto of buying this is reducing the wind noise, and I like the windscreen as well, the noise cancel. The dead cat. Actually, I don't like it to call dead cat, but yeah, that's what it is. So these two clips, it goes behind like this, so it gets chipped like this when it gets clicked onto it, and then it looks clean. It looks sick, right? It looks, yeah, sick and slick. It's nice. So when I'm doing the motovlogging setup, I will show in detail how I'm installing it, and it is easy to remove. Oh yeah, the thing which they have given here, you have to just do it like this, both the side, and it comes out easy. So yes, this is what you get, and then a manual book. This is what you get, guys. Minimal, and you can carry it anywhere. It is easy. You can, even if you are in need of this 3 mm audio jack, you can, I think you can fix it like this. You can fix it like this, and even the charger as well. You need to a little bit, you need to squeeze it in here like this, and you can carry it. If there is a doubt, how can I carry this? This is also easy. You just need to connect it and then fix it, and there is space for this to get in, and then see, can you see this one? Nothing is coming out, and then click once you are done with everything. If you're carrying one mic, I think this would do. If you're carrying both the mic, yes, that would also do. So yes guys, this is it, everything you get. So that's it guys, so I'm just ending the video. So you all saw the mic mini of the unboxing. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe. If there is anything that you guys want to share to me, you can drop down in the comments. I would answer to all the comments, and I love reading the comments as well. I want to connect to you all what you feel. So drop down the comments and like and share the video. So I will soon come up with the motovlogging setup for the helmet, because I've been facing a lot of mic issues from the start because of the wind noise. I thought it is the helmet, then it is the mic. So I will resolve the mic issue in the coming video very clearly, because I have been searching in YouTube's for motovlogging setup, but I haven't got a proper solution for it. I came up with my solution and as well as seeing some YouTube videos. So I'll share my knowledge and thoughts how to prevent the wind noise. So that's it guys in this video. So I'll see you in the next video. Chalo, bye. Signing out, Arun Alfred.